me Mr. Jigsaw, cause I cut your legs off. You definition of the meaning being dead wrong. How I see this, how I live it, so let's get it on. It's like every day I'm struggling, walking through a storm, hustling like a motherfucker just to get by alone. Fucking with my chromosomes, meaning that I'm high. I'm a paranoid, schizophrenic, and I'm annoyed with the whole planet. And yeah, I know it's my choice. I can't stand it like the hands on my Rolex. Now I'm playing y'all, cause you know it's a Timex. Broker than a piece of glass when you shatter it. I'm digging in my pockets, all I found was some cigarettes. Switch a topic, I cock it. Talking about the 45, hit the block like a prophet. So you know it's bound to get live. I'm higher than a fucking spaceship. NASA lounge, dining with a local dime bitch at a restaurant. Nah, fuck that. I ain't taking no trick out. Only time I ever would was when I dump a clip out. A fully loaded magazine with 16 in it. Sipping that lean with the codeine in it. A fucking fiend, which means you know I'm in it like Charlie Sheen. Yeah, I'm winning, swimming in the bottle, trying to take my pain away. Sorry, I ain't got a role model. What more could I say? Shooting hollows off the fucking roof, supporting Asher Rolf, Mac Miller, and Yellow Wolf. But what about Eminem? What about him? He's the best to ever do it. Plus, he got a track record to prove it. I mean, haven't you ever listened to his music? Stupid, now you only listen to the beat as he's skimming through it. When he speaks on being real and you missed it, you probably fell asleep from the NyQuil before you did the dishes. Now your bitches coming home, she's probably gonna beat that ass so bad, he probably gonna need stitches. You pussy wet motherfucker, never bow down. Not a king of anything, so you know I don't need a crown. Look at me now, walking around with diamonds in my mouth. I'm saying that bling blow, yeah, I'm screaming it loud. You might as well sit down and pay attention before I beat that ass like Chris Brown and leave you flinching. I'm saying I'ma fuck you up beyond all recognition. Put your picture on a milk carton, underneath it says missing. Darker than the dark side, killing young Anakin. Not a worry in the world, so you know I'm not panicking. Come on, girl, don't you wanna take a dip again? Tie an anchor around your feet, put you in the ocean, then walk away like nothing even happened. Bitch, this is real life shit, this ain't just rap.
Matter of fact, it's a rap on the track. Get it, got it, the business, yeah, I'm back. R-Dot, I spit it, harder than that. Got a problem, I'll give you an asthma attack. I'm in the rap, I'm shooting bombs. These bitches know that I'm coming, yeah, for your mom. Tell her to bend over, Rover, cause she a Dover, man. I'm a soldier, and I shoot with them boulders. Fuck around with me till I'm older. When I'm wiser, drinking Budweiser, getting headaches from that shit, yeah, I'm not wiser. Check the shit that I spit, it's so legit, you hoes know that I'll never quit. It's the R-Dot, you can call me Big Ric. The big shit that I spit so ridiculous, I do it bigger and better, these bitches know it is. If they got a problem with it, check the showbiz. 717 is the name, R-Dot spitting flames, waka flocka name. If they got a problem with it, say my fucking name. I put you on the mic, rest in shame. R-I-S